Today we will discuss about the dummy variables, how to generate the dummy variable. Then we will estimate one model with three types of dummy variables: intercept dummy, slope dummy and interaction dummy. What is dummy variable? Dummy variable is such an explanatory variable which can take only two values, 0 or 1. So, these variables are very powerful tools for capturing qualitative characteristics of the variables like individuals, like gender, race, geographic region of residence, anything which is not quantitative. So, we can describe the dummy variables as any event which has only two possible outcomes, either 0 or 1, either true or false. So, there are three kinds of dummy variables. One is intercept dummy, another is slope dummy, and lastly the interaction dummy. So, suppose that let us first discuss about the intercept dummy variable. So, suppose the regression equation is yi equal to beta 1 plus beta 2 xi plus ei. Now, if we assume that there is a categorical explanatory variable in the data, categorical means not quantitative, which is qualitative. So, then we can use that variable as an intercept dummy variable. So, after incorporating that intercept dummy variable in the equation, it will look like yi equal to beta 1 plus delta di plus beta 2 xi plus ei. Now, dummy variable takes only two values, that is 0 and 1. So, if di equal to 1, then intercept will become beta 1 plus delta, which implies that regression line will shift parallelly upwards and the distance will be delta between these two lines, between the new regression line and the old regression line, the vertical distance will be delta. So, intercept will increase from beta 1 to beta 1 plus delta, and if di equal to 0, then the intercept remains as beta 1, which is the older regression line. So, this is the case of intercept dummy variable. Now, let us talk about the slope dummy variable. Slope dummy variable explains the interaction between a continuous or quantitative variable and a dummy variable. So, it is the incorporation of two things. One is interaction between two things. One is the quantitative variable, explanatory variable, and another is the dummy variable. Now, we take together both of them. So, if we introduce the slope dummy variable in our equation, it will look like yi equal to beta 1 plus delta di, this is the earlier intercept dummy variable, plus beta 2 plus beta 2 xi plus gamma into within bracket xi di. Here xi is the quantitative variable and di is the dummy variable, and we are taking both of them together, and the intercept is gamma plus ei. So, slope dummy variable changes the slope of the equation. Now, if di equal to 0, then slope of the equation delta yi delta xi will be only beta 2. But if the value of di is equal to 1, then delta yi delta xi will be beta 2 plus gamma into beta 2 plus gamma into 1, that means gamma. So, slope changes. First the slope is beta 2 when di is equal to 0, and when di equal to 1, the slope increases from beta 2 to beta 2 plus gamma. You can calculate and you can find out, this will be the result. So, this was the intercept dummy slope dummy variable. Now, how interaction dummy variable looks like? Interaction dummy variable explains the interaction between two dummy variables. So, up to now we were talking about only one dummy variables at a time. Now, we will talk about two dummy variables together, and that will be our interaction dummy variable. So, to explain interaction dummy variable, we include it, and we include another intercept dummy variable in our equation, because we require two dummy variables. So, yi equal to beta 1 plus delta 1 di1 plus delta 2 di2, these two are two intercept dummy variables, plus beta 2 xi plus gamma into xi into di1 plus ei. This is the simple regression equation with two intercept dummy variables and one slope dummy variable, So, now we introduce the interaction dummy variable, and then our equation becomes yi equal to beta 1 plus delta 1 di1 plus delta 2 di2, these two are intercept dummy variables, plus beta 2 xi plus gamma 1 xi di1, this is the slope dummy, plus gamma 2 into di1 into di2, this is the interaction dummy, plus ei. Now, di1 into di2, this is the interaction dummy. Now, its coefficient is gamma 2, and when di1 di2 equal to 0, then intercept becomes di1 di2 equal to 0 means di1 is also 0, di2 is also 0. No, yes, di1 di2 is equal to 0 means if we put this value in the equation, then intercept becomes beta 1 plus gamma 1 plus delta 1 plus beta 1 plus delta 1 plus delta 2, and there is no interaction dummy in this model. But when di1 di2 equal to 1, then intercept becomes beta 1 plus delta 1 plus delta 2 plus gamma 2. Okay. So, this implies that regression line shifts parallelly upwards. We can explain it once again. First place we are talking about beta di1 equal to 1, di2 equal to 1, but di1 di2 equal to 0. If we take this, then the intercept becomes beta 1 plus delta 1, because di1 equal to 1. So, intercept becomes beta 1 plus delta 1 plus delta 2, since di2 is also equal to 1. So, beta 1 plus delta 1 plus delta 2, but di1 di2 equal to 0. So, this portion is not included. Now, when beta 1 di1 equal to 1, di2 equal to 1, and di1 di2 is also equal to 1, then intercept becomes beta 1 plus delta 1 plus delta 2 plus gamma 2. So, regression line shifts parallelly upwards. So, we can see that interaction dummy is not connected with any quantitative explanatory variables like the intercept dummy. Interaction dummy is a kind of intercept dummy. It is not like a slope dummy. Slope dummy is connected with an explanatory variable which is quantitative, but interaction dummy is just the product of two intercept dummies, and there is no quantitative explanatory variable here. So, it is a kind of intercept dummy because it is the product of two intercept dummy variables. Now, we will use the wedge data, which we already used the multiple regression equation, linear regression. We will use the same data to create some dummy variables. In the simple regression, we use the general education as years of education, but actually they were some codes. So, we can from those codes we can actually create some education dummy variables, separate education dummy variables. And we had also age and age squares, where age was the proxy variable of experience. But there are many other variables in this data set which are explanatory factors of age, but which were qualitative, they were not quantifiable. So, to include these unquantifiable or qualitative explanatory factors, we will construct three types of dummy variables: intercept dummy, slope dummy and interaction dummy. Suppose that we want to find out the reasons behind the gender wage gap using the wage data. So, in order to do that, first of all we have to create the female dummy variable, the gender dummy. So, in our wage equation, open the wage data. So, in our wage equation we had one variable sex and it has some codes. Sex variable, if we can see, if we can tabulate our sex variable, we will see that it has two codes, 1 and 2. 1 means male and 2 means female. So, from these we can construct female dummy variable. So, to construct the female dummy variable, we just use the command tabulate sex generate gender. This will create our two dummy variables. Tabulate sex or tab sex, whatever, you can use the smaller version of the command, that is tab sex generate gender. So, this will create, oh I forgot to create the log file. You should start with the creation of a log file in the beginning. So, begin a log file, whatever you can give the name. I have already sent you the log file. So, just you start with an log file. So, we have to create once again, otherwise our exercise will not be included. So, we have to clear it in the beginning everything, and then again we open the wage data. Now, once again use the command tabulate sex generate gender. So, here we will see that two variables gender 1 and gender 2 are constructed. Gender 1 means male and gender 2 means female. So, we have to rename them as male and female. So, rename gender 1 male, rename gender 2 female. So, we have created two gender dummies. Now, we have to create one intercept dummy variable, and to create that intercept, now we have created the intercept dummy variable, female dummy variable. Now, we have to create one slope dummy variable, and we take the quantifiable variable which is age. So, we have to create the slope dummy female age. For that, we give the command xi space I dot female star age, xi space I dot female star age. This will create two dummy variables. First of all, the only female dummy variable will once again be created, and secondly the slope dummy between female and age will be created. So, we have to drop the first one because we already have the female dummy variable. So, we have to drop the first one and we have to rename the second one as what name did we give? FEM underscore age, FEM underscore age. So, we have created female into age, that is one slope dummy variable has been created. Now, we have to create the religion dummy variable. The valuable religion, if we go to the layout of 68 round data, then we will see that variable religion has 8 codes, among which code of Hindu is 1, code of Muslim is 2, and we are interested only in Hindu and Muslim dummies, and we will create all religion dummies in the beginning and then we will drop them, drop the others, only we will take Hindu and Muslim. So, tabulate HHD religion, comma, tabulate HHD religion, comma, generate within bracket religion, enter. As we can see that all of them are created and we are interested only 1 and 2. Religion 1 is Hindu. So, rename religion 1 Hindu. Rename religion 2 Muslim and drop all the others because they are not needed for our analysis. We can also incorporate them, but right now we are not interested in those variables. So, we have deleted. So, we have created Hindu dummy variable and Muslim dummy variable. Now, we will construct the interaction dummy variables with female. So, female Hindu and female Muslim, and this is also the simple command xi space I dot female star Hindu. So, xi space I dot female star Hindu. Now, first variable is the only female variable, so drop it, we have to drop it and then rename the last variable as fem Hindu. Okay. So, and then once again we will create it xi space space I dot female star Muslim. Now, drop the first one and rename the second one as female fem Muslim. So, we have created two interaction dummy variables, female Hindu and female Muslim. So we have created three kinds of dummy variable, that is intercept dummy variable, female, then one slope dummy variable, two slope dummy variables, no, one slope dummy variable, that is female age, then two interaction dummy variables, female Hindu and female Muslim. Now we will create general education dummy variables, and it has the following codes: not literate equal to 0.01, literate without formal schooling, that is EGS, NFEC, AEC, all these equal to 02, TLC 03, others 04, literate below primary 05, primary 06, middle 07, secondary 08, higher secondary 10, diploma certificate course 11, graduate 12, postgraduate and above 13. So, first of all, let us create the general education dummy. For this, we will use the command tabulate gen edu, generate within bracket edu. So, all the dummy variables have been created. Then we will actually take, we are actually interested edu 1, which is not literate, edu 5, edu 2, we are interested edu 1, which is not literate. So, we rename edu 1 as not literate, not lit. We rename edu 1 not lit. Then we take edu 5, which is below primary. So, edu 5 rename edu 5 below primary. Then rename edu 6 as primary, rename edu 6 primary, rename edu 7 as middle, rename edu 7 middle. Then rename edu 8 as secondary, rename edu 8 secondary. Rename edu 9 as HS, rename edu 9 HS. Edu 10 as diploma certificate, DIPL underscore CERT, rename edu 10 DIPL underscore CERT, diploma certificate. Then edu 11 as graduate, edu 12 as PG, rename edu 11 graduate, rename edu 12 PG. So, we have already created all the education dummies that is required by us, and we will drop the rest of them, because they, if they are present here, they will just create confusion. Therefore we just get rid of them. So we have created below, not literate, below primary, primary, middle, secondary, HS, diploma certificate, graduate and PG. All these intercept dummy variables. They are all intercept dummy variables and they are created. Now we have to create interaction dummies with the female for all these education dummies that we have already created. So we have to create the interaction dummy. So exercise space I dot female star not lit. Here once again we drop this one, first one, and then second one rename as femme not lit. That means those females who are not literate. Again exercise space I dot female star below primary. Here also we drop first one. It's the same exercise. There is nothing else in this dummy variable related, whatever dummy variable related commands are repetitive, nothing new. Then rename as femme below primary. Then again we have to create the same, in the same way, exercise space I dot female star primary. Again we drop the first one and then rename this one as femme primary. So in this way we create all these. You just try all the other at your home. This will be your exercise. You will just try all the other interaction dummies, the same process as I have shown. Now we will create the caste dummy variable. Household group HHD underscore GR. This is the caste dummy variable and this has 4 codes. ST is equal to 1, SC equal to 2, OBC equal to 3, others equal to 9. So first of all we create the dummy variable. For that we use the command tabulate HHD group, comma generate SOC. So they are created. Now code 1 means ST. So we have to rename SOC1 ST. We have to rename SOC2 SC. Then SOC3 OBC. We have to rename SOC3 as OBC and then we drop the remaining one. So we have created ST, SC and OBC caste dummy variable. Okay. Now we have created all the dummy variables. Now we will start the regression. Before going to the regression, we have to prepare our data. 1 second. হ্যালো, আমি একটু ক্লাস রেকর্ডিং করছি, আমি পরে কথা বলবো। না না, হ্যাঁ আমি পরে কথা বলছি, ক্লাস রেকর্ডিংটা করছি তো, বন্ধ হয়ে যাবে, অনেকটাই গিয়ে চলে এসেছি, পরে করছি, এটা শেষ হয়ে গেলে। হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে, এখন ক্লাস রেকর্ডিং চলছে, এর মধ্যে কথা বলবো না। So we have to prepare our data accordingly. So replace the missing variables as wage total data. This you all know. Replace wage total equal to 0 if wage total equal to dot. First of all, change the wage data, all the missing variables. So we have replaced them. Now we drop if wage total equal to 0. We drop all the 0 values. So drop if wage total equal to 0. So all the 0 values are dropped. Now drop if age is less than 5, because we are not including the child laborers. So drop if age less than 5. Now generate ln wage total as ln within bracket wage total. So generate wage total as ln within bracket wage total. So we have created the ln wage total variable. Generate age square as age to the power 2. So this is our age square variable. Now our regression equation will be, our data matrix is ready. So since I have not created the technical education dummy variables, so it will be your exercise and you will create them. So I will not use here in the regression equation those variables, but when you practice at your home, you create all the variables and create the full command of regression which is given in the PowerPoint. Here I am just deleting those variables which we have not created here. So female Hindu, female Muslim. Now we include female not lit, female below primary, female primary, ST, S, OBC. Suppose in this way we have taken all these dummy variables and now regress them. This will be our regression equation. As you can see that our, as age increases, wage, total wage earned increases significantly, because age has positive and significant, highly significant coefficient, but age square is insignificant, and female dummy variable is, if the person is female and not male, then wage increases significantly. Now this result, it will change when we incorporate all the variables in the regression equation, then the results will be same as given in the PowerPoint slide. Now here we you can see here this kind of result we yes. Now the basic purpose of this uh, regression is just to show how you can use the dummy variables in addition to the quantitative variables like age or anything like that in your regression equation, and here we have shown. Now you will create all the dummy variables uh, in the same process as I have shown here at your home, and the total log file is also given, and the PowerPoint slide has instructed how to create them, and I have also explained here. So those variables I have not created here, that is your exercise. You will create them in the same process as I have instructed you, and then you will run the regression equation. Now if you have any kind of confusion, then you can always contact me. So we do not need to save this file, because if we save this file, then you will not be created, you will not be able to uh, create all the dummy variables once again and do the exercise once again. So I am not saving it, and you will also not save it. Now let us see whether the dummy file has been created or not. The log, as you can see, that log file has also been created. Now the total full log file has been given already to you through mail. So follow that instructions and complete your exercise. Thank you.